song.
Are you smarter than a dialectician?
There it is. Welcome to Are You Smarter Than a Dialectician?
Uh-oh, nope, I don't know.
Playing our game today is Kati Dombrosky, former teacher of Chronos Academy and expert in all of ancient Middle Ages and early modern history. Let's see how she does. Let's see how she does with modern history. Okay, so here are the rules, Miss Kati. We're going to ask you a series of questions, and you have 3 helps from our class of dialecticians and grammarians. You can use a peek, which is, if you ask for a peek, then we will all show you our answers, right? So all the class will show you what they think the correct answer to the question is. A copy is you choose one student to copy from. And then a save is you choose one class, either the dialecticians or the grammarians. And if they, whatever they have the majority of their answers will be the answer that you are submitting. So if the majority of that class is correct, then you'll still be in the game.
So when it's time for those things, you're going to show me everybody since I can't see everybody right now.
Oh, you can't?
Are you on a computer or are you on a iPad?
Oh, I only see Phoebe, Rowan, and Kayvon, and then you guys.
So there's a 3x3 grid in the top right-hand corner that if you hit that, you should see everybody.
Yeah. And you can even split the screen, I think.
Or it'll
say,
Are you on your computer?
I am.
So sometimes, you know how the game show, you can scoot it over.
oh no, it's called side-by-side mode.
So, yeah, side by side. I think.
Go to
Well, anyway, see if you can figure it out.
It's next to
I'm sorry.
Go to view options at the top. That's Giselle's screen.
Now I just, oh my goodness. Okay, hold on.
Okay, Andrew, are you there? Andrew, Daniel, ask Andrew to turn on his camera.
Will do.
Okay.
Now I'm only viewing your screen. I don't see the game show screen anymore.
You switched the
Sorry, see, I'm not. You guys are so much smarter than I am.
Well, we've been on Zoom for a while.
Well, yeah, I usually do Google Meet. Okay. Now I can scroll down through you guys though. Is that okay?
Sure.
Yeah, you could also stretch that window out a little bit sideways and it should add a much.
There's also another way to do it.
Oh, that's true.
If you go to the top of the screen and press view options, you can do side-by-side mode.
And it says side by side. Oh, I see.
Yeah, that'll help.
Thank you. That made it better. Okay, got it. Sorry,
All
guys.
right. So let me show you our game board. We have 10 questions for you in 10 different subjects. So as you see, we have 5th grade Latin, 4th grade science, 3rd grade algebra, 2nd grade geography, 1st grade history, 5th grade music, 4th grade timeline, 3rd grade English, and 2nd grade literature. So you get to choose a topic. You will earn, if you get your, and 1st grade arithmetic, did I skip that one? You'll earn money up to $1 million virtual dollars.
Whoa, okay.
Okay.
I start?
Choose your first subject.
Okay. Can we go with 2nd grade geography, please?
Okay, great. Hey, yeah, cameras on or Lenny and Andrew, please. Thank you. 2nd grade geography. Your question is, which African country did Mobutu rename Zaire? You see the choices on the map. Okay. A, B, C, or D. Those of you in the dialecticians or grammarians can answer on your piece of paper, and then we'll reveal.
Don't hold it up. Don't hold it up.
Don't hold it up yet. We'll reveal it when Miss Kati answers, or if she decides she might use a help.
Okay. I think I'm gonna try for this one. Well, no, I think I know what it is, but I think that I need a.
You should try to guess.
Should I try? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with C.
All right. Our grammarians and dialecticians, can you hold up your answers, please? And see what you think. I see some C's on the board.
Yeah.
I see some.
That's great, Miss Kati.
Let's see if they agree with you. Let's see if you're right. C is the correct answer.
Good. And you still have 3 helps remaining, Miss Kati. So
All
you're in a good
right.
position.
All right, let's go back to our leaderboard. And you have earned $1,000.
Woohoo. All right. Let's go with 3rd grade algebra, please.
All right, your question is, who discovered the set of numbers pictured here based on the function fc of z equals z squared plus c? Which mathematician discovered the set of numbers pictured here based on the function fc of z equals z squared plus c?
Okay. I don't know this at all. So let's go with.
So you have a peek, a copy, or a save.
Like to go for a copy.
Okay, would you choose one student you'd like to copy off of? Who do you think knows the most math?
You
I
know
see
what? I think I'm gonna ask Eden.
Oh.
I don't know how to spell it.
Well, that's okay.
That's okay.
Spelling doesn't count.
Well, then just say it then. Just say it.
That's true. You could say it.
I could say it.
Mandelbrot said. Or Mandelbrot.
She said Mandelbrot.
Mandelbrot. Okay.
What do you think, Kati?
I'm going with it. I think she knows what she's talking about.
Mandelbrot. Hey, does anybody agree with Eden?
Yep.
Mars
I
has
think
it
it's like
written. Mandelbrot. Everybody, they all agree. Let's see if you're all right. Benoit B. Mandelbrot is the correct answer. Very good.
You have.
And we'll go back to our leaderboard. And you have earned $2,000.
Okay.
Nice sound effects.
Thank
I'm
you.
gonna go with 5th grade music.
5th grade music. Boy, she's jumping to 5th grade. Let's see.
I don't
How
know.
many of our dialecticians are 5th graders?
I'm gonna be a 5th grader next year.
Mars is the 5th
I'm
grader.
the only 5th grader. I hate it.
Well, Mars, you should especially know this question. Let's see.
Do I have to know it?
Yeah, everybody should know it.
Who wrote the music?
Who
I
wrote the
don't.
music for West Side Story and Candide? Is it A, John Williams, B, Andrew Lloyd Webber, C, Leonard Bernstein, or D, Rodgers and Hammerstein?
Oh, I think I know that it's between 2 of them. Can I get a copy, please?
Have you already used your copy? I think you have a peek
I
or a
know that.
save.
Yes, I'm gonna go with let's go with peak.
All right, so everybody write down what you think the answer is, and then she'll peek at our papers.
So Miss Kati, before they show it, are you sure you want to use the help if you've already got it down to 50-50?
Oh, you're right, huh? Remember, are you smarter than a dialectician? Yes. Okay. Okay.
Just tell us which 2 you think it may
Which
be.
two do you think it is?
I think it's C or D.
Okay, Leonard Bernstein or Rodgers and Hammerstein. They do have a very similar ending to their names.
Yeah, they do. I'll just go with C. I'm gonna go with it.
You're gonna go for it? All right, what did you guys think, dialecticians and grammarians? Hold up your paper. Let's see what the class said. Eli, what does yours say? Give us,
Leonard Bernstein.
you agree? Okay. Everybody, yeah, you can hold up your hand if you agree.
Miss Kati, you've got a lot of people who are on your side with
A
this
lot
one.
of people agree with you. I think you probably are safe. Let's see. It is Leonard
Good
Bernstein.
job. Now you still have 2 helps left.
Oh, thank you for your encouragement, Mr. Daniel.
Oh, yeah. I knew you probably knew that one.
And you have won 5,000 virtual dollars.
Ooh, okay, I'm gonna go with first grade arithmetic.
That should be
I'm
easy.
probably gonna know this.
All right. Let's see if you know this. Who cracked the Enigma machine during World War II? Was it A, Alan Turing, B, Kurt Gödel, C, Nicholas Bourbaki, or D, John Conway? These are 4 mathematicians we've studied. Which one cracked the Enigma machine to decode secret messages from Japan mostly?
Germany.
Germany
Yeah.
most, yeah, during World War II. Have you ever
Okay.
seen the Enigma machine, Miss?
It's between A and D.
A and D, okay. She's got it down to a 50-50. Well, she thinks.
I think it's A.
Is that your final answer?
That's my final answer.
Anybody from Dialecticians and Grammarians have an answer? Rowan agrees. Jocelyn agrees. Patrick agrees. Eli agrees. Serafina gave us a thumbs up. I see an A from Eden and a thumbs up from Lenny. They agree with you. Let's see if you're right. Yes! It is
You're
Alan
holding on great,
Turing!
Miss Kati. You're doing amazingly well. We're really rooting for you.
You might be smarter than a dialectician. Let's see what our
Or
leader.
you're smart as a dialectician.
Oh, yeah, right.
Or
That's a high aspiration.
You have earned
$10,000. All right, Miss
Let's go
Kati.
with first grade history.
First grade history. Ooh, she is kind of a history buff.
Ah,
I see this. Who fought the
Who was the Australian bushranger who fought against injustice in the late 1800s?
I
Ooh,
don't know this one.
There's not even multiple choice on this one.
I've got my answer.
okay, then I am
Somebody
going to
put her-
go with a save.
Okay, I think you have still a peak
And a save,
and
right?
a save. You want to go with the save? Okay,
I
and
wanna
so
go
you
with
should
save.
choose a class, either the
Okay.
dialecticians or the grammarians.
I'm gonna go with the dialectician.
Okay,
Hmm.
okay, dialecticians.
So, what do? We just show it?
Write
We're gonna
write
write
the
your
answer,
answer
and
and show
if
it
the
to her, and she's gonna
majority,
choose.
if the
Oh, that's right.
majority gets it right, then Miss Kati's still in the game.
Is it Crocodile Dundee? Oh no, it's not. Oh well, I'm gonna go with Ned Kelly then.
Ned Kelly, let's see. Grammarians, do you happen to agree or disagree with this answer? You think it's Ned
I have
Kelly?
no idea because I was not here for that.
That's
Patrick, what do you
true,
think?
Katie.
Yeah,
Patrick agrees. Eden, do you agree? Oh, careful. Okay. All right, let's see if she's right. And it's Ned Kelly.
You're still in the running, Miss Kati. You're doing amazingly well.
Let's see how.
Hey, Mr. Rob, Mr. Rob, I heard that you recently watched a film about Ned Kelly. Is that true? You can say so in chat, I suppose.
Or he could answer.
He's got no audio.
Oh, he has no audio today.
Yeah.
Well, oh, you need your writing space. Here we go. Let's share it.
Let's go with second grade.
Yeah, he told me about the movie that he watched.
All right. So I'm sorry, Miss Kati, what'd you say?
I said I'll go with second grade literature, please.
Second grade literature. All right. Your question is, what animal species escorts the children to meet Aslan in The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe? Miss Kati used to teach book club. She loves to read.
Yes, and I love this. I know this, but is it even a real?
It's real.
Yeah, Mars is helping you out there, and it's true. This is an actual species of animal.
Oh, a beaver.
How we doing, everybody?
What do you think? Do you agree or disagree?
Yes, I agree. So
Okay.
do I.
I haven't read it.
Hold up your answer or thumbs up if you agree. All
Yeah.
right. Phoebe, do you know, Phoebe? Have you read
I
it?
haven't read it.
Oh, interesting.
I have
Okay.
a very long list.
Let's see if she's right. Is it beavers? Yes!
Good job, Miss Kati. You are holding on tight to
I
a very
am.
strong run.
And we picked a good contestant. That way we
We
get
sure
to see all
did.
the questions. And back to the leaderboard, you have won 50,000 invisible dollars. All right, you have
Smart dollars.
four subjects, smart dollars, 4 subjects
Smart.
remaining.
All right. Let's go with 5th grade Latin.
Ooh, 5th grade Latin. And you still have one help. What's your one help left? A peek.
Uh-huh.
And that would be, you get to peek at everybody's paper. All right, so 5th grade Latin. How do you translate flumen fluminis? Is it A, light, B, river, C, head, or D, heart?
Kati will know this one. This Kati will totally know.
I know. I thought I.
What a marker, you want it?
I feel like I don't want to. I have to guess at this one. I don't want to use my peak because.
You can do it. I know you can do it. It's
Okay.
Swimming.
I think that it's B.
All right, grammarians and dialecticians, if you agree with her, hold up your answer.
Miss Kati, you're so good.
She's excited. She thinks she's right. Patrick, do you agree? Yeah.
Well, look at everybody with their B's.
Let's see if everybody's right. It is river. Excellent job, Miss Kati.
Man,
Oh my goodness.
And you have won 100,000 virtual dollars. Smart money.
Great.
3
Let's go with,
questions left. Boy, I hope she gets to the $1 million question.
I'm gonna go with 4th grade science.
I better get another piece of paper then.
4th grade science. Patrick, he's running down for more paper. All right, and your question is, which one of these is not one of Albert Einstein's discoveries? The photoelectric effect, atomic theory, special theory of relativity, or the speed of light? Which of these is not one of Albert Einstein's discoveries?
Is it D? D?
D, the speed of light. All right, if you could dialecticians and grammarians please reveal what you believe to be the right answer? I think they already had it.
oh no.
They think A. Well, interesting. I see some
no.
A's
Answer
on the
B.
board. Well, let's see. I'm going to reveal the right answer and see who's right. We have an interesting disagreement. It is D, the speed of light. It was
I just heard about this is where listening to the news and stuff keeps you up to date. I heard this on a podcast the other day.
Congratulations, Miss Kati. You were right against all odds in that one.
Excellent job. And grammarians and dialecticians, did you see that we were looking for the one that was not Albert Einstein? So the speed of light was actually discovered by Foucault, right?
You know, one of the hardest things
Real quick
about,
question. Sorry, Miss Kati, go ahead.
I was gonna say, to tell everybody, one of the hardest things about getting older and taking quizzes and tests and those things is sometimes just tricky wording.
Yeah,
You know? Yeah.
right. What were you going to say, Daniel?
Can somebody say another person who refined the speed of light? They didn't discover that light had a speed, but they were able to give a better number. Does anybody remember that
Albert
experiment?
Einstein.
Albert Einstein did not. No. Anybody else? Michelson and Morley is our answer for that. And they further
Oh, I
developed
did a
the
presentation
screenplay.
on that.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, this
Thought
is
you might
such
get it
good
for that.
review for you guys. All
Yes.
right, back to the
Great.
leaderboard, and you are the proud owner of $175,000.
Let's go with third grade English, please.
Ooh.
Do I
Everybody
know
ready?
Do I know this? I think I know this. I'm pretty sure I know this.
All right, which of these words is not a linking verb? A is, B feel, C were, or D touch?
D touch.
What do you think, grammarians, dialecticians? Is she correct?
Yes.
I have a D over there, a D over here, a D over
Mr.
here.
Daniel's screen is a D.
Mr. Daniel's screen is a D. There's a lot of D's, Miss Kati. Let's see if you're right. And it's D touch. Excellent job.
We're gonna
Good
win
pass.
because you have one more help.
And
Wow, I know.
you have earned 300,000 smart dollars.
I only have 2 more questions, right? And then just one help.
Yeah,
That's
and
correct.
I think for the $1 million,
One question and one help.
I think for the $1 million question, you can't use the help. So you should just
Is
go
that
ahead
right,
and.
Miss Celeste?
Really?
Use the help for this one. Yeah, you should use.
Well, I don't care, but it doesn't
I
matter.
don't much either.
Maybe I won't even need it. Let's see what
Maybe
it
you
is.
won't even need it. All right, let's see.
But
4th grade timeline. Ooh, this is a tricky one. Which event did not, another not question, which event did not happen in the early 1900s? Roosevelt and his Rough Riders, Sigmund Freud, psychoanalyst, Mendel founds genetics, or Lenin's Bolshevik Revolution?
I think it's C.
Oh, don't do it.
No, so wait, can I not use it because I should ask for help? Okay, I guess I need to peek, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The tension is so
I
high.
hope they know it. What if they lead you astray?
okay, I got
One time last year, I think they all answered wrong.
Or
Just
half
to
of
be
the
mean.
boys answered
Oh,
one.
no, that was on purpose.
The
All
boys-
the girls answered wrongly on purpose, and we were all laughing and giggling.
I answered right.
Well, maybe it's D. It's either C or D. Okay, let me see.
Okay, what do you guys think she's going to peek? Everybody, put your answer on paper and hold it up.
Oh.
Oh, boy.
Oh.
We have a lot of just differences of opinion here.
A lot of them are saying.
Does anybody have the timeline song memorized?
No, I
Not the
I do,
date.
and Roosevelt
I have the song.
Mark
was
says
in
C.
1901. I'm saying B.
Totally C.
Rowan says A. Jocelyn says A. Patrick
that's
says
in
B.
No, it's not A. It's C.
It's
Do I
C
have any
or
more?
D to me.
Remember the
Not
tune?
happen.
This is such an interesting.
Wait, if I, is that a question?
Listen to me,
Is that
please.
A?
I know it's C.
A.
It happened in the
Oh, Patrick's had a recent change of mind.
Okay,
in the 1860s.
oh my God.
C
Well, you
happened in the 1860s.
Ooh, Jocelyn, did you change your mind? Sorry, we've
can
had some.
I need to ask you a teacher question. You ready? Because
Oh,
those of you that are saying A,
I know what it's.
it
I
says
know. I know it.
Roosevelt,
Quiet,
and it also
quiet.
It says Roosevelt, but it also says and his Rough Riders. So that might be kind of a trick one. I'm just saying.
It's not A. It's C. Just please.
You guys, please mute. Please
Wow,
mute.
okay. Somebody, I see that some people changed theirs to match what I said first. Oh man. Okay. I'm going with
C.
I think I
C.
go with C.
Hey, she's
All
going
right,
to
let's
Celeste.
see. Let's see what the answer is. Oh, where's my mouse? The tension. C.
That's right. Mendel founded genetics in the 1860s, not in the 1900s.
But Roosevelt and his Rough Riders, with that, those dates are there for you. So they're all.
If
Yeah.
Emmy were with us, she did a cornerstone on Mendel, and she could have said with some authority
Yeah, that's right. Okay, back to our leaderboard.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
And
What?
you,
Okay, go ahead.
oh, that's okay. You have won 500,000 smackers.
Oh, man.
Great
No.
job, Miss Kati. Now, the real question is the final $1 million question. And this will determine if you are truly smarter than a dialectician. Are you ready?
Okay, as ready as I'll ever be.
Dialecticians and grammarians, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yep.
And the $1 million question is 6th grade geography. Name the 5 largest urban areas of the world by population. So that's similar to the 5 largest cities, but we're including the suburbs of the city.
Okay.
Talking about the population.
Yes, largest by population.
Yeah, and we've been doing this on a map for the last 6 or 8 weeks or something. So our,
I can hear
Everyone
you guys.
can
I
mute.
want to hear you. Okay.
We'll mute all of you.
I am getting there. Can I say one at a time?
sure.
Yes, of
I
course.
definitely think that Tokyo has to be
Yes.
one of them.
Mars,
Right.
do not talk
Um,
until she presents her final answer.
and
This
I
is
think
for
New
one.
York. I think New York is one. So Tokyo, New York. I think that.
Miss Kati, I'm going to mute everybody, so will you unmute for a moment?
You're muted, Daddy.
Miss Kati, go ahead and unmute yourself.
Okay. Oh man, this is hard because I don't actually know, so I'm guessing based on what I know about the world.
Which you know a lot about the world, Miss Kati.
I know.
So this
I'm
is
missing one though, and I'm curious if one of them is a Middle Eastern city, but I don't. Oh yeah. Wait. Oh, okay. I think maybe. A city in India must be. Or maybe there's 2 in India. Or there's definitely one in China. What would be the one in India? I don't know India very well to know which one would be. There's the one that has such bad pollution. Okay, I'm going with Tokyo, New York, Beijing, and why can't I think of the one in India? It's not Mumbai. Okay, I'm gonna say Mumbai. And then Paris. I know that I did not get all those right, but those are what I'm gonna go with. Tokyo, New York, Paris, Beijing, Mumbai. But I don't think it's Mumbai. But it's not coming to me. Okay, there you go.
Okay, so your answer is Tokyo, New York, Beijing, Mumbai, and Paris, correct?
Yeah.
What's
Daniel?
everybody else? You want to throw in? See what whether you agree or disagree?
Who agrees with her?
Hey, that's the one.
Not on all of them.
Oh.
We have some disagreement. Go ahead and write your guess.
Jocelyn, what's your number 5? I can't. Can you lift it up a little bit?
There's one.
Huh?
Sao Paulo. Sao Paulo, Brazil.
Yeah. Oh.
Patrick, do you have a guess?
Wait.
Okay, so Paris is definitely not one of them. And New York's not on there, huh? That is so American of me to just assume that New York is on me.
I know all of them.
Let me see. Tell me.
What do you think,
What are
Eden?
they?
Tokyo, Sao Paulo, Jakarta,
Jakarta, good.
and Manila.
Manila, Philippines?
Yeah.
And South.
South.
Yeah.
Oh, Seoul.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good. You've got it.
Let's see who's right. The 5 largest urban areas of the world are Tokyo, Japan, 38 million people. Sao Paulo, Brazil, 36 million. Jakarta, Indonesia, 30 million. Seoul, South Korea, and 25 million. And Manila, Philippines, 24 million people.
I want to tell you guys, Miss Kati, that New York City is the 6th.
Okay.
Beijing is the 11th.
Did you get them all right?
Mr. Daniel.
Mumbai is the 13th. And Paris is on the list, but it's way down the list. It looks like it's number 26.
Yeah. Wow. Where's London on that list?
You did pick big cities. Did you say London?
London was today. London was
Paris and London were today.
yeah, Paris and London were both today. So London, I think, is 25th
No,
or
they're
24th.
all 9 million.
Yeah, it's tied with Paris, according to urban area.
Yeah,
Well,
London and
awesome.
Chicago are the same size.
Oh, okay.
I'm
Okay.
surprised you didn't
Well,
say
you guys, that's awesome. I just learned so much.
Yeah, you did.
So
You showed how much you've learned too.
I know that's what I was going to say. So Miss Kati, are you smarter than a dialectician?
I'm not. I'm not.
Miss Kati, thank you so much for playing our game. Let's all give her a hand.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Miss
you
Kati.
guys so much.
Very good. And we have
Are you smarter than a dialectician?
We have our jingle.
Oh, it's so good to see you guys. Thanks for including me.
You
It
know,
was our pleasure. We love having you.
we're so proud to have you. And, you know, our Memory-a-thon has been such a good success. I don't know if you've seen it, but how much was it? We have raised over $2,000 so
that's
far.
wonderful.
So
That's
today's
wonderful.
Today's the last day to collect donations and to finish reciting their memory work. So all of you students can send in your number, your total number of how many memory work items you can recite or you have recited and been signed off from. You know, so have an adult sign your book.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, you guys stay cool, stay safe, and I'm gonna do some more studying because, you know, maybe next year I can play again.
Yay! We'd love to have you back. Thank you, Miss Kati.
Thank you, Miss Kati.
You're welcome. Bye.
Thank you, Miss Kati. Thank you,
You're
Miss
welcome.
Kati.
Bye, Miss Kati.
Bye.
Thank you, Miss Kati. Bye, Miss Kati.
Bye, everyone. Bye, 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 bye.